Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Lesson 2 Mental Math, Estimate Sums and Differences. What is the meaning of estimate? Estimate means rounding. Sums means add. Differences means subtract. So we have to round, then either we add or we subtract. Let's move to the page 55. For 3 to 8, estimate each sum or differences. Estimate each sum or difference. Okay, in question number 3, I have 5,638 plus 3,753. He put two zeros at the end. It means the last two numbers, they become zeros. It means I will round the number before it. I will round the number before it, which is the 6. So the 6, do I have to write it the same or I will add 1 to the 6? It depends on the next number because estimation is rounding, same as rounding the lesson before. Okay, so I look to the number on the right. Is it 5 and above or below 5? It is below 5, which is 3. So I will keep the 6 the same. And before it, as I said, keep it the same. Okay, also here, so when we want to add or subtract, we have to round the same digit. If I'm rounding the first number on the hundreds place, I should round this on the hundreds place, the second number. If I'm rounding the first number while I'm subtracting, for example, the thousands place, I have to round the thousands place in the second number. Okay, here the last two numbers become 0. It means these two numbers. So it means I would round this number, the 7. The 7 becomes, I look to the number on the right. Is it 5 and above? Yes, it is 5. So I add 1 to the 7, it becomes 8. And here the same 3. Then I add 0 plus 0 equals to 0. I add starting from the ones. Then 0 plus 0 equals to 0. 6 plus 8 equals to 14. 4 here and 1 on the top of the next number. Then 1 plus 5 equals 6. 6 plus 3 equals to 9. Equals to 9. So the answer 9,400. For example, in question number 5, he didn't put for me, he said estimate. So how I will know on which digit? So you can choose any digit you want, but you can start, you can round from the first place. But if you want to round the first place on the first number, you have to round the first place on the second number. Same place you have to round. Okay, let's round the first place. If you want to round in any place, it is correct. It's not wrong. Okay, the first place, the 6. So do I have to write the 6 the same or I will add 1 to the 6? It depends on the next number. The next number is 3. So I'll keep the 6 the same. With how many 0? After the 6, I have 4 numbers. It means 6 with 4 zeros. Comma, so it becomes 60,000. Always the comma, I put it after 3 digits from the right. I count 3 digits from the right, then I put comma. Every 3 digits from the right, I put a comma. The second number, 25,038. Also, I will round the first number, which is the 10,000th place. The 2, after it, I have 5. So I will add 1 to the 2, so it becomes 3. With how many 0 after it? I have 4 numbers after it, so 4 zeros. Then I add. So be careful if you are adding or subtract, like in question number 4. Then 0 plus 0, 0 from the right, from the ones start. 0 plus 0, 0, 0 plus 0, 0, then comma. Then 0 plus 0, 0, then 6 plus 3 equals to 9. So the So the answer will be 90,000.